Germany's air force is often measured by numbers, but numbers alone don't explain capability. This video covers every aircraft currently in service: fighters, transport, surveillance, unmanned systems, and trainers. Every German aircraft explained. First up, combat aircraft. Eurofighter Typhoon, the backbone of German air power. A multi-role fighter built for air superiority and precision strike missions. In service since 2003 with 138 aircraft currently active. Continuously upgraded with advanced radar, weapons integration, and electronic systems, it forms the core of Germany's combat capability. Panavia Tornado, Germany's dedicated strike aircraft, designed for low-level penetration and nuclear delivery under NATO sharing agreements. In service since the 1980s with 63 aircraft currently active. Built for high-speed, terrain-following operations, it continues to perform strike missions until its planned retirement around 2030. Panavia Tornado ECR, the electronic warfare and suppression platform, specialized for SEAD missions targeting enemy radar and air defense systems. In service since the 1980s with 21 aircraft active. Equipped with anti-radiation missiles and electronic warfare systems, it supports and protects all other combat aircraft in contested environments. Now transport and air mobility. Airbus A400M Atlas, Germany's primary strategic and tactical airlift aircraft, designed to transport troops, vehicles, and heavy equipment across long distances. In service since 2014 with 52 aircraft active. Capable of aerial refueling and operating from short, unprepared runways, it forms the backbone of German air mobility operations. Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules, a tactical transport aircraft operated jointly with France, designed for short-range missions into austere environments. In service since 2022 with 3 aircraft active. Used for special operations, logistics, and rapid deployment, it complements larger airlift platforms in flexible mission profiles. Lockheed Martin KC-130J, the aerial refueling variant of the Super Hercules, provides in-flight refueling for helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft while also retaining transport capability. In service since 2022 with 3 aircraft active. It extends operational range and endurance for deployed air assets in remote and forward operating areas. Next, government and strategic transport. Airbus A350-900, Germany's long-range government transport aircraft, designed for intercontinental travel with extended endurance and reliability. In service since 2020 with 3 aircraft active. Used for official state transport and strategic mobility, it enables rapid global movement of leadership and critical personnel. Airbus A321LR, a medium-range transport aircraft configured for both passenger movement and medical evacuation. In service since 2022 with 2 aircraft active. Equipped for medevac operations, it supports both military and humanitarian missions, providing flexible deployment capability across regional and international routes. Airbus A321-200, a standard medium transport platform used for personnel movement. In service since 2018 with 1 aircraft active. It bridges the gap between short-range and long-range transport operations, supporting logistical and administrative missions within Europe and nearby operational regions. Airbus A319CJ, a compact government transport aircraft designed for efficiency and flexibility. In service since 2010 with 3 aircraft active. Used for official travel and rapid deployment of government personnel, it operates on shorter routes while maintaining operational readiness and reliability. Bombardier Global 5000, a high-speed, long-range jet used for VIP transport and liaison missions. In service since 2011 with 3 aircraft active. Designed for rapid response and flexibility, it enables quick movement of personnel between command centers and operational areas. Bombardier Global 6000, a long-range aircraft configured for both VIP transport and intelligence roles. In service since 2019 with 3 aircraft active. Equipped with communication and ISR capabilities, it supports strategic coordination and information gathering during complex operations. Continuing with surveillance and UAV systems. IAI Heron 1, Germany's primary unmanned surveillance aircraft, designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions over extended durations. In service since 2010 with 6 systems active. Operates at medium altitude with long endurance, providing continuous battlefield awareness and real-time data to command structures. IAI Heron TP, a larger and more advanced unmanned system built for extended range and higher payload capacity. Entering service from 2024 with 5 systems active. Capable of intelligence gathering and precision strike roles, it expands Germany's unmanned operational capability in modern conflict environments. Finally, training fleet. Northrop T-38C Talon, Germany's advanced jet training aircraft operated under NATO training programs in the United States. In service since the 1980s with 46 aircraft active. Used to prepare pilots for high-performance fighter operations, it introduces supersonic flight and advanced handling characteristics. Grob G120TP, Germany's primary basic training aircraft, designed for early-stage pilot instruction and foundational flight skills. In service since the 2010s with 11 aircraft active. Equipped with modern avionics, it provides a structured transition from initial training to more advanced flight platforms. Panavia Tornado Trainer, a conversion training variant used to prepare pilots for operational tornado missions. In service since the 1980s with 2 aircraft active. Focused on mission-specific training, it allows crews to transition into strike and electronic warfare roles within the tornado fleet.